South Korean authorities have requested an arrest warrant for suspended President Yoon Suk-yeol over his brief declaration of martial law. The Joint Investigation Headquarters of South Korea announced on Monday that it had sought Yoon's arrest on charges of insurrection and abuse of power. The investigative team includes officials from the Corruption Investigation Office for High-Ranking Officials, CIO, the police, and the Ministry of Defense. The team stated that the arrest warrant request was made after Yoon ignored 3 summonses to appear for questioning. A court will decide whether to issue the arrest warrant, which would mark a first in South Korean history. As a sitting president, Yoon is immune from prosecution for most crimes, but this protection does not extend to cases of rebellion or treason. Yoon Gap-gun, Yoon's lawyer, told the Yonhap news agency that the CIO was acting beyond its legal authority. The lawyer added that he would take formal steps in response to the CIO's actions. Yoon's brief martial law declaration on December 3rd shocked the nation and triggered South Korea's most severe political crisis in decades. Since December 14th, Yoon has been suspended from his duties following a National Assembly vote for his impeachment, which passed 204-85. The conservative leader, who previously served as South Korea's top prosecutor, is now facing criminal charges of insurrection. Insurrection is a crime punishable by life imprisonment or the death penalty under South Korean law. Following Yoon's decree, heavily armed troops entered the National Assembly and clashed with lawmakers. The scenes reminded many South Koreans of the nation's history of military dictatorships. Prosecutors allege that Yoon instructed a senior defense official to authorize soldiers to use weapons if necessary to access the legislature. The martial law declaration remained in effect for about 6 hours before Yoon rescinded the order. The order was lifted following a unanimous vote by lawmakers against the state of martial law. Yoon has defended the martial law declaration, claiming it was a lawful and necessary measure. He cited threats from anti-state forces and obstruction by the opposition Democratic Party, DP, as justification for his actions. The leadership crisis deepened on Friday when the opposition-controlled legislature also voted to impeach acting President Han Duck-soo. Presidential authority has now passed to Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister Choi Sang-mok.